What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today feels like my birthday. You know what it's like to be a sneakerhead that love Marvel, and then boom, you get a collab. Shout out to Ronnie and Kith for this collab that I didn't even know was coming. But the other day was SantaCon. The other day was Comic-Con in San Diego. That's how I mixed that up. And Kith and Ronnie put together a collab for the ages. It's the X-Men collab with Kith. Came out with, I think, 6 or 7 different sneakers in the X-Men colorway, along with the clothes. The clothes dropped today. I was too busy, and once I got there, everything was extra small. But I did get a chance to buy the sneakers when he exclusively dropped them while he was live on Instagram. And they came today. Aww. So basically you get like a life-size action figure box, which is dope. As you can see here, Kith, Ronnie, it was upside down, sorry. You got Fag, Kith, Asics. And it looks more like a toys in here, a bear brick, than a sneaker. So it's a mystery pack. Everyone pays the same $200 and change and hopefully gets the sneaker they want. So out of all the sneakers up there, the only one I'm really not feeling is Rogue. And that's very hard for me because I like Rogue as a superhero. The second one up there that I probably wouldn't want is Gambit. I just don't like that colorway. If y'all watch the channel, I'm not really hip with the peaches and the browns. But anything else we gonna get. So we gonna open this up, mystery style, and find out what I got. Let's get it. So before you get to the goodies, on the outside is a black sleeve, Travis Scott fragment style, and it has the X-Men logo there, of course. On the bottom here it says Kith. It says Marvel in collaboration with Kith, Asics Gel-Lyte 307 Remastered Special Edition, and around it you have like Cyclops that looks like Iceman. It could be Silver Surfer. I always go like mix them up, but I think it's Iceman because Iceman actually had a shirt this morning with Kith, and the bottom has a classic Wolverine. When you flip it around, more classic Marvel Comics look. You have Rogue there, Colossus, I believe that's Jubilee. No, that looks more like Elektra, or I think that's Elektra. Let me know in the comment section below. When you flip that around, you have a Storm, Beast, Archangel. This is classic X-Men, man. I'm so happy X-Men are coming to the MCU. When you flip it over here, you just have a big Magneto. So when you take this part off, it was sliding off easy for me. All right, there we go. That's where you get more of the Kith and Marvel branding. Yes, sir. That's where you get more of the Kith and Marvel branding. X-Men is starting to look like a cereal box to me, but more the same you saw on the black, just now in color. Magneto again, the Marvel logo, the Fig or Feig, however you say his last name, logo there. And right here it says X-Men, the original mutant superhero, 6 different heroes to collect. Series 1, Gel-Lyte 307 Remastered Mystery Pack. So it's made to look more like a comic book box or like a Marvel card trading box, which is super dope, man. More bells and whistles on the back. Yes, sir. So just to open it up, guys, I had to sit because I can't stand in front of the camera and open it up for you guys. To be honest, though, I'm really hoping for Wolverine, man. Really hoping for Wolverine, but I'm happy happy with either one. It's just the colorways that differs for me that make things different. So at the top here, you gotta open it up. Just like a trading card pack or a comic book pack. Not a sneaker pack, for sure. Open it up. When the lid flips open, you get a super dope comic book strip bag here. This is dope, and it's insulated. Has an X on it, and the back of it also has a whole bunch of comic strips on it. Now we got to get to opening it up. The card is in here, but I don't want to look at the card because the card might give away what's going on. So I don't even want to look at the card, guys. Either colorway in a Wolverine, I'm happy for it. And it's open, guys. I'm going to close my eyes and let y'all see first what's going on. Is it yay or nay, guys? Yay! Woo! Hold on, I gotta pause the video.
A few moments later.
Yes, sir, man. I got the Wolverine one I was looking for, guys. Here's the 360 view of it. This is that classic Wolverine costume, the blue with the yellow. Oh, man, I'm lucky, guys. Like, real talk, man. So here, man, if you've seen one Gel-Lyte, you've seen it all. It's just the X-Men colors bring it out perfect. It does come with yellow shoelaces, white shoelaces, but the blue and yellow Wolverine shoelaces does what it has to do already, in my opinion. The inside says Asics Kith, but we'll get into a full in-depth review on these in another video. I don't want to make this video too long. This was more about the packaging in the box, but these are the Wolverine joints. If you look on StockX now, prices for this one is the highest so far. StockX has, I think the last sale was 500 and change. Someone's asking 1,200. If you switch over to gold, you're about 600, 700 in. So this is the most popular one right now. But I feel like more of them will go up far as more people getting theirs delivered. Mine came today. But I felt like this was the best color off pictures, and I'm just happy I received this one. I was told that the card tells what the sneaker is, but to be honest, if I would have looked at this card first, guys, I wouldn't have knew that I got the Wolverine one I wanted, because this one is just a card of everyone on it. Wolverine, Jubilee, Cyclops, Gambit. It says teams, so it's the whole X-Men. And the back says the cerebral scan. You know, that's how Professor X finds the mutants. But this is as dope that it comes in because it's like a metal glass casing. I don't know, it just was coming off of me. Here we go. It's a metal glass casing, which is dope. The card looks like it's holographic a little bit. I like the look, man. Clicks right back on so you don't mess up the corners of the card. It's a dope look. I'm going to show y'all the inside of the box so y'all can see what it comes with, just in case y'all decide to buy third party or StockX. The box closes right back up, opens up just like a candy bar box. Here's a close-up on the bag, guys. Very dope platinum bag. Sneakers come individually wrapped in white tissue paper. This right here is the left shoe. Actually has more Asics Gel-Lyte branding on it. I don't see Wolverine. Oh, it says Wolverine in the inside. But like I told you, we'll get to that in another video. I'm super pumped, guys, man. Thanks for watching. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Hit subscribe. I'm going to give y'all full in-depth 4K video on these in a couple of days. Everybody, get rich.